Hello everyone. I just wanted to quickly share how I combined tree stamps, and it basically lets you create a tree landscape with just a single swipe. I'm going to be using some tree stamps that I created myself, and if you also want to know how to create the stamp, I will leave a link in the description where I show you exactly how to do that. So right now I'm gonna use a bear tree and a burnt pine tree stamp. So first you want to duplicate the stamp that you have so you don't lose it, and then you need to combine them like this, so they are both selected, and then you press combine. Now you have this. So click on the first stamp and adjust the spacing first. So right now it looks like that. Once you start adjusting, you will see a larger space between the trees. Maybe just a little bit jitter too, so they're not all on the same level. Now click on the second stamp and do the same thing. Just choose how close you want them. That is basically it. Press done. And there you have it. That's it.